See this crispy duck? It's not fried, it's slow cooked in its own fat.
Factories start with premium, farm-raised ducks, chosen for perfect fat balance. The duck is seasoned with salt and herbs, then cured to boost flavor naturally.
Next, the duck cooks low and slow, fully submerged in its own fat.
This resting step locks in moisture and makes the meat insanely tender.
High heat roasting crisps the skin into that perfect golden crunch. Once ready, it's sealed fresh and shipped to restaurants across America.